Wagwan people, we're back with another video. This one's actually a special one. A cousin of mine and myself, we bought Scubah a gift for his birthday. So this video is kind of late, but his birthday was in January. I'm releasing this video, it's May, so it's kind of late, but it doesn't matter because the gift is amazing. So Steven Scubah is actually a person that you would say puts others before himself. You know, he's a selfless person. You know, he's very humble, and a lot of times, you know, he focuses on others while, you know, he puts himself last, which is like, you know, sometimes he doesn't finish his bills in time because he's busy helping someone else, you know. So my cousin and I, we thought we would give him something special, you know. So we reached out to Renegade Motorsports, and we wanted to get him a short shifter kit with the carbon fiber cutout. So we actually didn't know that he wanted this. We were just looking around for gifts that he would constantly use. We were thinking, oh, let's get him the zoom rearview mirror, get him a little like license plate, but we wanted something that he's gonna use and like touch. So my cousin and I, we decided to get him a short shifter kit from Renegade Motorsports. Hold up, I'm getting a text message. Hold up. Alright, it's not important. So we decided that we would get him the short shifter kit from Renegade Motorsports and the cutout. So we went on the website for Renegade Motorsports and they're actually sold out. It's like hard to get stuff, you know. So I DM'd them, you know, I slid in their DM. It goes down in the DM. And yeah, I was like, hey, I'm trying to buy a gift for my cousin. You know, when's your next release date for the short shifter kit? And they were like, oh, you know, we're gonna release in, I think they were saying in January, so around the time that his birthday is gonna happen. They did mention to me that they had a batch coming in, and they would open the site for me to buy one. So pretty much they opened the site for me to pre-order for the next batch, which would be in May. So the order would have been in January for the batch in May, but they're getting the recent pre-order in January, and they were saying if they had any extras, because you know companies buy extras just in case something is broken from shipment, you know. So they actually helped me out, and lo and behold, I got a message saying, hey, we have an extra one, you know, we would love to send it out to you, and that would be a great gift for your cousin. And I was like, damn, that's dope. So here we are now. It came in probably like, what was it, months ago, but I never had any time to do a video on it and process and surprising him for it and surprising him with it. You know, it's a very expensive product. He wouldn't even think for us to buy him something like this, but hey, he's a great person and we want to do great things. So I'm gonna show you guys the packaging right now. All right, so the packaging for the short shifter kit came in this box, and the short shifter kit delete came in this box right there. Once again, it is from Renegade Motorsports. Alright, so this is, well, it actually came in another box, but you know, I'm gonna package this all up and give it to him. So this is a part of the short shifter kit. It's it looks like it's the mount right there. We also bought him the shift knob too, which is, the shift knob came in another box. So the shift knob is right here. So we got him the titanium, I believe it's a titanium countersunk shift knob. See that? It's actually really nice. The quality of their products, man. I don't have an S2000, so I don't really buy Renegade Motorsports products, but if I did have S1000, I would pretty much buy all of their manufactured products because the quality looks amazing. Like, look at that finish. So I took out the short shifter. Wow, that's beautiful. And I think this is their latest version of it, and I know that they usually didn't add the bushing here for the more recent ones, but the whole thing. Short shifter kit with the shift knob. The shift knob is actually sold separately from the short shifter kit, but you know, we wanted to spoil him a little bit because, you know, Steven doesn't really spoil himself, you know. So, and also right here, this is the carbon fiber cutout, the shifter plate. So pretty much it's a OEM Honda shift plate that they use the carbon fiber cutout, and it's actually real carbon fiber. It's really nice. So pretty much I'm gonna package all of this back up. And I'm going to take a trip to Steven's house and drop this off. He actually doesn't know that I'm gonna drop these off for him because his birthday was in January, so he's not even expecting this, you know. So stay tuned for that trip. So we got his gifts in January and we're releasing this video in April. I haven't really had time to record a video, or you know, I've just been busy with work and, you know, taking care of my son, doing other stuff for the car. But stay tuned for more videos on Scubah's channel. I'm sure he's gonna make crazy videos about the short shifter kit, the shift knob, and the carbon fiber boot delete. So subscribe to his channel too. I'm gonna package everything up and we're gonna head over to Steven's house right now. All right. So I just wanted to shout out Renegade Motorsports. I'll link them in the description and I'll put their Instagram right here. Their customer service is amazing. Like, that's my first time reaching out to them because I don't have an S1000. But I just want to give a big shout out to them because my cousin is really gonna enjoy this gift, and I'm sure he's gonna make crazy videos about this. So, and I'll link his channel in the description. Also, it'll be right here, Scubah. The biggest thing for me is that Renegade Motorsports didn't really need to offer and help me get my cousin this gift, because, you know, they could have said, oh, you know, you have to wait till May to get your short shifter kit, you know, or later than May, whenever they released it again, you know. So for real, big shout out to Renegade Motorsports. They were a big help in this, and I'm sure Steven's gonna be surprised, and I'm sure he's gonna love it. And no, this is not sponsored by Renegade Motorsports. It was just my cousin and I reaching out to get my other cousin a very nice birthday gift. The thing is too, Steven has done so much for me and my cars. Like, he's helped me out when I could have brought it to a mechanic and they would have charged me hundreds of dollars, you know. So he's helped me out with my old white TSX, even with the black TSX. He's helped me put on the Spoon big brake kit. Many thanks to him, and I think this is a small gift in comparison to what he's done for others. I can't stress it enough. He's such a great person. He always wants to help other people, and he's so genuine. Like, I don't know what else to say. He's just a great person. Like, he's very helpful, and he'll always make sure he has time to help you out. To my surprise, Scubah showed up. I was supposed to drop off the gift that we got him to the soccer field, but he's here now.
Hey guys, my surprise, I actually got a gift, and I don't even know what it is yet. I'm guessing you guys probably do. Yeah, I can't open this until Darren gives me the go ahead. So there's two boxes here. I don't know what they are. This one feels kind of heavy, like
it's a lamp from Home Goods.
Okay, that's what I thought it was. I wasn't gonna say anything. Anytime I get new stuff, I'm happy. I'm just really happy that Darren and Ammir surprised me with this, so thank you guys. I really do appreciate it.
You've been a blessing to us over these past years, as we all, you know, are thanking you with these gifts.
Hey man, it's all love,
you know what I'm saying, dog?
I do what I can for the homie, just like you guys do.
Yep.
Just like anybody else out there in the world, you know? Chivalry is not dead. If you can help somebody out, no matter who it is, help them out if you can. Come back tenfold.
That was a weird way. I was supposed to drive to the soccer field,
yeah,
and drop it off to him, but
so what happened was, I wanted to see how the TSX looked. Yeah. Darren sent me photos. It looked amazing. I wanted to see it in person for myself. It looks so much better in person.
What can we expect from your channel, Steve?
I'd probably be opening whatever this gift was that these guys got me. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty sick. Yeah. I can't wait to see what it is.